This package is almost weightless. In fact, it was shipped from a lightweight service. Oh, the last delivery I got from Alice. I bought 4 of them, I guess, of these because I didn't know what they were. So these are USB night lights. The USB port over here. They're not double-sided. They are fairly bright. Are they hot? They aren't particularly hot. You can see they're enough to shine the whole way through my finger. They have 3 little resistors mounted. I think all the current flows through this resistor. Then these 2 resistors, one for each LED. And it has a hole for a keychain, although I don't know why. Here's the seller's page for these little USB LEDs. 2 pieces, 99 cents. And it's from Alice. 1101983. And I just said that these were single-sided. I meant the LEDs were on one side. They are, in fact, capable of being plugged in either direction. Now, there was $3 shipping, but Alice gives you as many of these as you want for $3 shipping. This package came from a domestic warehouse. I'm sure it's a Chinese-owned facility, but they're warehousing their stuff in Kentucky. This is an extremely interesting address. The right side of the first floor of the complex building, whatever that is. Just wire management tools. There are loops, somewhat adjustable, based on tightening the fastener. There's small ones, big ones. 200 pieces. A little bigger than the usual assortment box from China. And this is an assortment of headless machine screws. A cup end rather than a pointed end. And I guess since they're metric, I should refer to them as grub screws. Here's the eBay seller's page for those last 2 items. The nylon cable straps were $13.50, free shipping, and the 200-piece assortment of set screws were $10.70, free shipping. I'll let you look at the ads. There's the eBay description. That's the eBay seller of both of these items. This obviously came from China. I apparently bought 2 sets of these, and they're running lights. They're supposed to be 12 volt, although none of the boxes are checked. They're the COB style, Cobb style, or whatever. Not pretty cheaply made. They're not waterproof by any event. There's no mounting holes. I'll hook them up to 12 volts and hope that's what they are. So 12 volts are drawing 260 milliamps, and they are extremely bright. And I want to compare them with these parental lights, which are also supposed to be 12 volts. They're actually drawing 700 milliamps, these parental lights. Now the reason I wanted to use one or the other of these, I want to put some under cabinet lights in as part of my low voltage power distribution system. I'm going to mount the distribution system on a shelf on my workbench, and it's going to obscure the lights that I have there now. So I thought I would put either 2 of these end to end, or a series of these spanning the power distribution system. I showed these in an earlier mail video. These are sold on eBay as 2 pieces of 12 volt, I didn't see that, daytime running lights. And they're $7 a pair. They would lead you to believe there's a lot more wire. And these things are definitely not at all suitable for an automotive environment. This is the seller, and that's how they're described. This is a fairly heavy little package from, I believe, AliExpress. And it has a CN22, and supposedly it contains bicycle parts. I don't own a bicycle. I don't know why. Don't think I could have consumed enough beer to buy bicycle parts. Alright. What these are: quick disconnect sling swivels for use on a rifle. Specifically, a rifle equipped with what's called M-LOK mounting features. And what we have here is an 1¼ inch sling swivel on a quick disconnect base. And then the quick disconnect base is attached to the firearm with these M-LOK clamping devices. So you can't not attach it to a wooden stocked rifle. It needs to be probably an aluminum stocked forearm. And what do? I have 2 screws and 1 nut. Well, I have a screw and a nut, and then I have 2 screws left over. So I have 1 screw and 1 nut, but I need 1 more of each. And all I have is 2 screws. These are AliExpress. It's a really big, well, it is filled from here to here. Oh, this must be from AliExpress because they warn me when they combine shipping. It doesn't necessarily mean these are from the same seller. And these are some more of the sling swivels. I checked all 10 of the other ones, and only the one I happened to chance upon to open for the video is missing a nut. So these are the same thing but from a different seller. They're stuck together. This is one 8mm carbide end mill. I had bought a few other ones and I decided I needed an 8. Extremely sharp. It is center cutting. Here's the AliExpress page for those quick disconnect sling swivels. They're not Picatinny rails. They are M-LOK attaching method. And they were $4.80 a piece. Here's the seller's, well, this is the AliExpress page for these 8mm end mills. I believe they were free shipping, but they cost $12.26 for one of them. Another unidentifiable package. This is another package of those clip-on numbers that I showed in the last mail video. And some more SMA stuff. These happen to be right angle, soldered by female. And this is a set. Now these are not carbide, even though they have the blue finish on them. No. I don't even feel that sharp, to tell you the truth. These are 3-cutter deburring tools, and there's a whole set of them here. So here's the eBay seller's page. I didn't print out the seller information from this because I did that in the last mail segment. There's these SMA connectors and these deburring or chamfering cutters. And here's the identification. So there are 20 of these right angle connectors for $15, free shipping. Factory selling 100. And here's the set of 3 cutter chamfering mills, deburring mills. They cost $20 for the set of 6. And again, they were the same guy.